You're watching LifeMinute TV. I have another film that's out in Tribeca right now, the Wes Anderson one. I'm in that, so yeah, no, it's stuff like that's happening, so that's kind of fun. I like to travel. I like to work. I like to walk around a lot. I'm trying to be more fit as of late, so I think it was a healthy thing, bring up some more like healthy hobbies. What inspires me? Recent movies that are coming out now. I try to stay relevant, and stuff like that makes me want to work more. So I guess that. I try to keep like an open mind to music. Press, just discover on Spotify and see what happens. Life advice from me. The one thing that I try to keep in mind is it doesn't matter what I do, as long as I love doing it and as long as I actually put in the work, something will happen from it. I think both hard work and loving to do it is two key points in succeeding in it. I try my best in this job, so hopefully, it keeps going.